Welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this tutorial I'll walk you through how to add your mobile number to your Gmail account. Doing this adds an extra layer of security and makes account recovery much easier in case of emergencies. Let's go step by step so it's easy to follow. Start by opening Gmail on your desktop browser. In the top right corner of your screen, click on your profile icon. It could be your initial or a profile photo. Once the drop down appears, select Manage your Google account. You will now be taken to your Google account dashboard. On the left hand side, click the Personal tab. This is where you can manage all your basic account details, including your contact information. As you scroll down, look for the Contact Info section. Here, click on the option labeled Phone. This will take you to the page whereby you can manage the phone numbers linked to your Google account. On the right side of the page, you'll see a button that says Add Now. Click it to start the process. Before entering your phone number, first choose your country from the drop-down menu to automatically include the correct country code. Then type in your active mobile number. Make sure it's accurate because you'll need to access it for verification. After entering your number, click Next. Google will now send a verification code via text message to the number you just provided. When you receive the code, enter it into the prompt to confirm your phone number. Remember guys, adding your number not only helps with account recovery but also enables important security features like two-step verification. Makes it harder for unauthorized users to access your account even if they know your password. And that's it guys, you have just added a mobile number to your Gmail account in few easy steps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.